guys, AndersCubes here, and today we have a massive unboxing. So I bought a bunch of stuff, and let's just get right into it. Try not to break. Wow, a lot of stuff here. All right, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out of the box. So here we have the GAN mirror cube. This is the UV coated. Next we have this GAN 12 MagLev Super RS3M 2022. This cool cable cord I got from my stack mat. Super cool mat. It's super cool. It's silver edition. The amazing FC Calm. Finally, the AoShi WRM 6x6. Starting off with the GAN mirror cube. Looks so cool. Take off this purple band. Wow, it opens up nicely. We got an awesome like silver opening, and this opens up perfectly. It's very tiny, but I like it tiny because it helps with hands. I don't think you guys need to know what's in the accessories. We just got basic. It's just a cube tutorial for mirror cube. So it's the cube. Ooh, it turns pretty smoothly. It's pretty crisp. I think I'm gonna need to add some lube though, because it is a little bit dry. Let's look at the inside. Oh, that came off nicely. Okay, so we just have the regular spring and screw, so that's pretty normal. Yeah, I have a competition with mirror cube, so I'll definitely be wanting to practice some of this. This is cool. This is my first like good mirror cube. All right, it can, you know, it can cut. I think once I like maybe loosen it a bit, it'll feel better. So yeah, it's super shiny. I heard the non-UV coated has stickers, so I'm glad I got the UV coated one. It doesn't have it, doesn't peel off. And you can definitely feel them. It feels like perfect, the amount, even when it's like not aligned. It's amazing. Next we have this lube. I'm just going to put this aside. I've already tried that and I made a video on that, so you can check it out here. Super RS3M. So I actually, this came with my order since it was like over $100. So I will probably customize this. I might do a giveaway for it, so be on the lookout for that. Next, we have the AoShi WRM 6x6. Now, I've been really wanting this cube. I think it's about 45 bucks. It's a 6x6. It's actually my first 6x6. Let's just jump right into it, shall we? I was originally gonna buy the Outwine 5x5, but there's an issue with manufacturer. Okay, wow, it looks good. Accessories box, normal, it's just a screw with, wow, oh, that looks sweet. Ooh, okay. Oh, it feels, ooh, oh my god, that's good. Oh, you don't even have to lube the, oh, oh, you don't even have to lube this thing. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I am not going to pop this today. That would be not good. It feels so nice. It feels so like clean. The logo looks so sweet. And it's so tiny and compact, which is like the best thing ever. I don't plan on popping this cube. But wow. Yeah, the magnet strength is like nice. It's like, it just locks so nicely. I do not think I'll be switching mains, because this is definitely the best. It looks like the shades, the white looks so clean. It just has that nice blue logo. It looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to learn how to do that. Favorite thing we've unboxed so far? Probably S plus tier. And now we've got the GAN 12 MagLev. Probably what you guys have been waiting for the most. The like $70 cube. Is it overrated? The best people in the world use it, so I would say it's, if you're gonna spend money on something and you have a lot and you don't want to switch mains for a while, definitely get the GAN 12, because this is the best GAN cube so far, even though the GAN 14 has already come out. If I can figure out how to open this, then you'll see this video. Okay, you're seeing the video now. This is gonna be on YouTube. So, as you know, GAN has the best unboxing, so we're just gonna slide that open. We got that nice GAN credit card. We got this beginner tutorial, and we have this box here with accessories. Here's the mat. Pretty standard. Here's the cube. I'm kind of worried. It does look like dirt got on the box. Hopefully that's just the box. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, I was concerned. Just the box. It's not the cube, so it's okay. Okay. Feels so old. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just switched my mains. This cube is... Ooh. Okay, so this cube is bigger than my main. My main is the Weilong V9. It's just like tiny bit smaller, but yeah, this is the real deal. Let's open this up. I hate opening up GAN cubes, honestly. Okay, so there's the adjustment system. Pretty good. You can adjust it there. Nothing much to it, really. I'm definitely gonna lube this. It does need. It feels very factory. But as you can see, it has those like little, like those holes for the cube, and oh, it just turns amazing. Just the magnets there. I think I'm gonna put it on the strongest magnet chain. I'm not sure yet, but actually, yeah, I like it at the strongest, so I'm gonna take. Yeah, that feels already better. All right, well, let's do a solvent it. We're gonna try this again. Okay, I think I see a solution. Just gonna... Oh, alright, we got a 14. I like it. Really good cube. I'll put this in the S tier. Alright, so now we're gonna do an overview of all the cubes we got. I would say my favorite purchase of this was the AoShi 6x6. Then we got the GAN mirror cube and the GAN 12 MagLev matte version. Let me know what your guys' favorite cube was from this unboxing. Make sure to comment your favorite, and make sure to like this video. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means a ton to me. I've been wanting to do it ever since I started the channel, so it's really cool. 1,000 is a lot of people. That's like a lot of people. So yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.